Welcome back. In this video, we'll see some more examples on regular expression. In the previous video, we have seen two examples. Let us see some more. So what I can do is, for time being, I can copy this customer details and I can paste into maybe in a new sheet. I can right click and paste here. So when I click on run button, I'm just getting a data here. So what I'll do is, I will try to extract this 4-digit number, which is after hyphen, okay, in this particular column here. So to do that, what I can do is I can bring this regex option here into the canvas. I will select the option that from the address column, I just need some data which has some pattern. So I've selected here and I can paste this option here. Maybe I can put here hyphen and then /d, and in curly brackets I can put here 4. Okay. So this option I've added here. Now what is this hyphen? /d stands for the digits, okay, and curly brackets 4 stands for the number of digits. So if you do not understand the meaning of this one, you can always click on plus sign. So here in the plus sign, if you try to search, it will explain what is the meaning of /d, what is the meaning of /s. You see /d stands for digit, okay, and then what is the meaning of the open and close bracket. So marked group is nothing but it's a meaning of the open and close bracket. And whenever there's a curly bracket, it is telling us number of characters. Okay. So now I will select this option again. So that's the value which I want output. And here I'll tell them I just want as parse. So select the output, click on run button. And now if I click on the output anchor, you can see what has happened. Any data which has the following pattern would be given as an output as regex output 1. This is by using the method as parse. Okay, so the previous example or the previous video we have seen for a match option. Okay, that was the thing here. Now what we can do is we'll try to do something extra in this. Now suppose if I have an address column here and if I want to split that column into multiple columns. So let us bring that regex option, drag and drop into the canvas. I will select the column named as address, and in the regular expression I can type here some characters and there's a comma. And here I can put as plus. So what is the meaning of this one? If you observe here in the square brackets, I have the option as comma. So that means wherever you find the comma and the number of characters can be 1 or more. So that time you need to split the data. Okay. But splitting is possible only when I say tokenize. Okay. So tokenize will do, it will split to columns. Number of columns are how many? 3 columns here. So remember, this comma stands for the comma which is delimiter in the data set. Okay, so if you do not understand, you can just click on plus sign and here you can get the meaning of square bracket, round bracket, anything. So carefully observe square bracket, which is this one alpha, or I can say here, yes, any one character in the set. Square bracket stands for any one character in that set. So that will be given as an output. Any one character not in the set. You see, that's the second option, any one character not in the set. So these are some regular expression. I'll tell you from where you can learn. And if I click on run button, and here if I click on the output anchor, this particular data is split into multiple columns. Now regular expression is not a small topic, it's a big topic inside itself. So if you want to learn about the regular expression, I would suggest you to click on this regex option and then click on this open example. Okay, so when I click here, click on open example, this will give you a guide what is regular expression and how you can use it. There are 5 such examples given in this particular document. You can go through that. Plus, knowledge for this data set would be required. You need to Google out some websites where you can understand the pattern of every alphabet or every symbol which is given here. When you click on this more info, everywhere you can see the examples. So regular expression is a very, very vast topic which needs to be covered separately. So I've tried my best to give you the 4 examples in this particular video, previous 2 and this one too. But try to explore and get more and more help from outside. Okay, great. I hope you have understood the other examples on regular expression, and that's all for this video.